console startup screens weren't about branding. They were to preheat the CPU. You see, in the late 80s and early 90s, gaming chips were notoriously fragile when run cold. Engineers claimed that sudden high-speed processing could cause microfractures in the silicon, something they called thermofractus. So they added a short, low-intensity animation to gently warm the chip before gameplay. The Nintendo Ding, the PlayStation Swirl, those weren't just pretty intros. They were carefully timed sequences designed to raise the CPU's temperature by exactly 3.5 degrees Celsius, which they swore extended the chip's lifespan by years. According to a 1994 study in the Journal of Applied Console Physics, skipping the intro could make your console overheat faster in the long run because the cold start stress built up like a fracture in glass. The twist? The tradition stuck even after the tech improved, so now you're still watching a fake warm-up for parts that don't even need it. This has been misinformation, and that's why